hates you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Whoa, what is this thing? It's the Mega Fun Factory, Mr. Big Head. Mega Fun Factory? What does it do? Well, it can make anything out of Play-Doh. Whoa, it can make anything? Can it make me food? Because I'm starving. It sure can, Mr. Big Head. What would you like to eat? Could you make me a hamburger? Oh, sure thing. First, we'll use some of this orange Play-Doh to make the buns. Now just sit back, relax, and watch the Mega Fun Factory do its thing. Step out some shapes. Cutting in two. Check it out, Mr. Big Head. 2 perfect hamburger buns. Whoa, that's so cool! I can't believe it actually works. I told you I can make anything. Now let me make the rest of the hamburger. I'm gonna use brown Play-Doh to make the hamburger patty. I'll use green Play-Doh to make the letters. And the yellow Play-Doh to make the cheese. Now let's stamp. Come on. Here we go. No need to cut. Okay. Here's a juicy patty. A slice of American cheese. And a fresh piece of lettuce. Now let me make the cheeseburger. Perfect! It's time to feed Mr. Big Head this cheeseburger. Wow, that looks delicious! I hope it tastes good as it looks. Here we go. Yum! Do you think you can make me more food? Sure thing, Mr. Big Head. What would you like? Can you make me some fruits and vegetables? Of course. I will use red Play-Doh to make a tomato. A green Play-Doh to make a watermelon. And I'll use orange Play-Doh to make a carrot. Following the same steps as before. Awesome! Let's check it out. Here's a big red tomato. Here's sliced tasting looking watermelon. And here's a crunchy orange carrot. This fruits and vegetable looks delicious. I cannot wait to see what they taste like. Try this tomato first. So good. Carrot next, please. Here we go. Now try something fresh and juicy. I am almost full. I wanted to eat something sweet. Can you make me some type of dessert, please? Sure thing, Mr. Big Head. Let's use this white Play-Doh and see what I can turn into. Awesome! The Mega Fun Factory make a bunch of gumballs. Whoa, gumballs! Gumballs are my favorite. I can't wait to eat them all. Thank you for feeding me food. It was delicious. As a thanks, I wanted to give you some surprise toys to open up. Whoa, thank you, Mr. Big Head. Let's start by checking out the Shopkins White Style toy. Awesome! A Dew animal case. Let's see what two Shopkins are hiding inside. Our first Shopkin is spilled milk. Here's a closer look of spilled milk. And our second Shopkins is Cutie Compact. Here is a closer look of Cutie Compact. Now let's check it out, this My Little Pony fashions. We got Fluttershy. Next, let's check it out, this Rose Series 6 blind bag. We found Satin. She's in a glittery purple dress and she has light blue hair. On to our final surprise toy. Let's check it out, this Numon Series 5. Our num is Lemonade Jelly Roll. Here's a closer look of Lemonade Jelly Roll. Now let's see what's no miss. Awesome! We got a special edition of watermelon gloss up. We got watermelon gloss up. Here's a closer look. And here's what the gloss up looks. Well, I hope you had fun today. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See ya!